What's up, 11 Series Bass family? It's your boy Cruz right here with 11 Series Bass Fishing. First off, I would like to thank everybody again for their continued support of the channel. I truly appreciate it. It shows every day of the number of followers and views I get from my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today, guys, we are going to be fishing one of 6 cents baits that I've already fished before, but this one's it's different, which is the Axle Hyper Jig. Now, I fished the Axle swim jig already and did a video on that one, and that one was pretty good. I really like this bait. I have them both in 3/8 of an ounce. This is that Hyper Jig with the swinging hook. So I have them in 2 different colors. This one's black light, and then this one is dark water crawl. Let's go with the dark water crawl first, because I like that one first. Let's go and open it up real quick, get a little look at it, and then we're going to figure out what kind of swim bait we're going to put on it. So here you guys go. Here's that. This is the Hyper Jig. So it's not a swim jig head, but it's more like a jig slash swim jig head. And you see it's got that hook, and then of course it's got that screw lock on it. So we got a couple different things I think we're gonna try. I think we're gonna try the purple first. Yeah, maybe we'll try the orange. Let's just try the orange. Try this orange one, baby bluegill. Let's try that color first, and let's get these tied on and get on the water. Quick intro, guys. I appreciate love. Keep hitting those buttons, that subscribe button, all that stuff. I appreciate it, but at the end of the day, I'm not here for that. So either you want to do it or you don't want to do it. You're either gonna like the video or not like the video. I appreciate it. Let's get on the water. Peace. All right, guys, we got it all tied on. Let's find this screw lock here. Here it is. Gotta find it in the skirt because it is buried up in there. There we go. All right, there's that screw lock. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go ahead and get this put on the screw lock here. Make sure it's at the top. We're at our first little spot here, just to see. There we go. Nice and straight. Take this. All right, let's get on the water. All right, let's walk down to this first little spot here. Now, this is like a little canal that it feeds off a bigger lake and canal. So I was thinking maybe we could pull a couple out of here. That was a turtle. Don't know how deep it is, but let's give it a shot. There might be a couple over here. See? That orange tail looks amazing. And honestly, I don't really feel much other than a swim jig on here. It's definitely got some mud. I mean, honestly, I don't know what's in here. I mean, it feeds off a bigger canal and a lake, so I figured, oh, it's definitely got gars in here. All right, so if there's gar in here, there's definitely bass. Oh man, I'm just making bad throws after bad throws, guys. Getting my line caught and everything. I know, I really need, oh. Well, there were some big fish there. I just scared them. Well, no bites here, guys. I mean, I see fish. I may have been better off throwing something smaller. There we go. Oh, he spit it. Oh my God. Bass number one, guys. And he freaking spit it. God dang it. All right, guys, we're gonna see if we can't get us one catch before it gets too dark. We don't have very long, and it's gonna get dark here in a couple seconds, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, but we're gonna walk over here because I think we might be able to get one here. It looks like they got some water in here since last time I was here, so that's definitely good. Go over here by where those geese are over there. I think that's gonna be the spot where we catch some, I think. I mean, this water is like super low still. I want to see, maybe we can't. And this water should be all the way up to here. This is crazy. Oh gosh, we just missed a freaking monster. Oh my God. Oh, got a good bass, guys. Oh, got a really good bass. Stay down, stay down. God, that's a tank, guys. Look at that. Right down the mouth. All right, got it out. Take a look at him. Man, what a good sized fish. There we go, guys. One more look. What a good sized bass. Let's get him back in. We're gonna release him over here so that way we can still fish over there. Just gotta get him a little bit closer to the edge because it's all right, get out of here, girl. Yes. Whew. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the other color down with me, so we have to just keep fishing it. We still good? Whew. Man, what a good sized bass. I knew eventually I would get one. Got another one. Not as big, but it's another one. Yes, I'll take it. He's a fatty. He's a lot better than the other one. Let's get him back in the water. All right, buddy, get out of here. What's up, 11 Series Bass family? It's your boy Cruz right here with 11 Series Bass Fishing. And we back, guys. We're not really back. We're back in the lab where everything is, where all of my fishing tackle that I have acquired over the last couple years is on the counter, and you can see my loads of monster bass stuff I still have to fish. I got tackle up there, tackle over there, tackle right there, and then I still have some tackle down there that I need to fish. So let's get to the 6 cents axle hyper jig with the swinging hook. I had it in two colors. I had dark water crawl, which you guys see me hit a home run with, and it went sailing, midfield, wood line, home run, lost it. I'm assuming that when I tied it back on, I didn't tie it very good, and it's in the wood line now. But I do have the black light left, which is a black and purple, and you guys can see I kind of stuck this stroker crawl on there, and still had no luck. So I didn't catch any fish with the black light version, but I did catch it with that with the dark water crawl with a divine swim jig on divine swim bait tied on that one, and I had some luck. As you guys can see from the video, I caught some fish, a couple decent ones. They weren't too bad, but I really wanted to catch one with both, and I did not, unfortunately. So yeah, I like it. At the end of the day, there's really no difference from the Axel swim jig, which is this one. You see it's got the swim jig head, the fish, to the hyper jig. I mean, really the only difference is that one has a fish face in the front and one has these little head shaped ripples on it, which you can kind of treat this one more like a pitching jig if you want, where you can bounce it up and down. That's what I was doing towards the end to see if I couldn't get a fish to bite, and I didn't get one to bite, so it is what it is. I'm gonna add it to my tackle of already swim jigs, and we'll go out there and fish it again at some point. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Sorry I couldn't catch one on the other one. Thank you very much. Thank you for your continued support of my channel. At the end of the day, it really doesn't help me do anything because I'm not getting paid from YouTube, and I mostly just do this because I like to fish, and I like to buy fishing stuff, and I have a problem. And the best way to admit that you have a problem, or to identify that you have a problem, is to admit that you have a problem. So step one, good to go. Yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate it. We are about to start Thanksgiving week vacation here in Fort Bend, Texas, and be on the lookout for a lot more videos. I'm definitely going to have time to go fishing, so I plan on going to do a lot of fishing. So more videos to come, more videos getting uploaded, and hopefully fish are being caught during these video uploads. If you guys like the content and like the videos, please hit that like button, and maybe a share every now and then if you could. I stopped asking people to subscribe to my videos. I stopped asking people to hit the notification bell. I just feel that I don't need to. I don't want to. I really don't care if you guys want to subscribe to my video. I really don't care if you want to hit the notification bell. And but a like is good. I mean, let me know if you like the video. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. It's right next to it. At the end of the day, it still won't hurt my feelings. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you get some chance, go pick you up some of these hyper jigs. Give them a try. Maybe that might be the difference you need to catch some fish where you're fishing. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys. And I'll see you on the water. Peace.